This is part 25 of aptitude questions with their solutions on decimal fractions. Aptitude questions are very important for students and also for graduates. So try to subscribe this channel to get additional videos that I will post in the future. Now let's see the questions. Question number 79. Which of the following fraction is greater than 3 over 4 and less than 5 over 6? There are fractions 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 4 over 5, and 9 over 10. Among these fractions, which one is in between 3 over 4 and 5 over 6? So compare these fractions with 3 over 4 and 5 over 6 and select the one that is in between 3 over 4 and 5 over 6. Okay, try to get this answer by your own and try to exercise this question, and I hope you get the answer for the question. What you have to do first is that convert each fractions into a decimal form. Then you can compare the decimals and you can get the one that is in between 3 over 4 and 5 over 6. So first, let's convert the fractions into a decimal form. 3 over 4 means 0.75. 5 over 6 means 0.833. Divide each one and you get the decimal form of the fractions. Then 3 over 4 is 0.75 and 5 over 6 means 0.833. So you are going to find out the fraction that is in between 0.75 and 0.833 among the choices that are listed here. So first again, let's find the decimal form of each fraction on the choices. 1 over 2 means 0.5. It is not in between 0.75 and 0.88. Again, 2 over 3 means 0.66 and compare it, and it is not in between 0.75 and 0.833. Again, 4 over 5 means it is 0.8. Of course, it is in between 0.75 and 0.833. And the last one, 9 over 10 means 0.9. It is not in between the two fractions. So your answer for this question is 4 over 5, or choice C is the answer for this question. So first convert the fractions into their decimal and compare the decimals. Then after that you can get the answer for the questions which are similar like this one. Question number 80. Which of the following fractions lies between 2 over 3 and 3 over 5? Again, here you are given fractions, fraction 2 over 5, 1 over 3, 1 over 15, and 31 over 50. Among these fractions, you have to find out the one that lies between 2 over 3 and 3 over 5. So find out the answer for this question by your own first. Try it. Okay, let me show you the solution. First, you have to convert the fractions into their decimal. So 2 over 3 means convert it into its decimal form, or divide 2 over 3. It is 0.666. Again, 3 over 5 means 0.6. So you have to find the fraction that is in between these two among the choices that are given on choice A, B, C, and D. So to compare these fractions, again, you have to convert them into their decimal form. Now let's convert each choices into their decimal form. 2 over 5 means 0.4, and it is not in between the two fractions, 2 over 3 and 3 over 5. Again, 1 over 3, it is equal to 0.333. It is not again in between the two fractions. Again, 1 over 15, it is equal to 0.066. Again, it is not in between the two fractions. Again, the last choice, 31 over 50, it is equal to 0.62. Now this last fraction is in between the two fractions, 2 over 3 and 3 over 5. So your answer for this question is again choice D. Again here, convert the fractions into a decimal form. Then again convert the fractions on the given choices into their decimal form. Then compare each decimal whether it lies in between the given two fractions or not. In such a way you can select the one that is correct for this question. So your answer here is choice D. Question number 81. It says there are decimal numbers and whole numbers, and you are going to find out the sum of all these decimals and whole numbers together. So we have 0.3 plus 3 plus 3.33 plus 3.3 plus 3.03 plus 333. How can you calculate out or find out the sum of all these numbers? Okay, try it by your own and get the answer for this question. Adding these numbers means simply adding a whole number and simply line up these numbers vertically and add the numbers. Vertically arrange both the decimal numbers and the whole numbers in such a way based on their decimal places and digits, and you can add 0 to the empty spaces to the right of the decimal point. For example, the maximum number of decimal place here is 33, and there are 2 decimal places. So you can have 0 to the right of each decimal place on the empty space. So 0.3 can be written as 0.30. Again, 3.0 can be written as 3.00. Again 3.3, you can add here again 0 on the empty space. 333.00, you can add zeros on the empty spaces of the decimal places. Then you can add vertically these numbers. So 0 plus 0 plus 3 plus 0 plus 3, it is 6. Again, 3 plus 0 plus 3 plus 3 plus 0 plus 0, it is 9. And again, you can have the whole numbers, 0 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, it is 15. And again 15, 5, then 3 plus 1, it is 4, and 345.96 is answer for this question. Choice A is answer for this question. When you add or subtract decimal numbers, simply line up those decimal numbers vertically and add like you are adding the whole numbers. Question number 82. 48.95 minus 32.006. Subtract these numbers and try to get the answer by your own. Okay, to subtract decimal numbers, you can line up the numbers vertically, and you can annex or you can add 0 on the empty spaces. Then you can subtract out the numbers. So you have 48.95 minus 32.006. You can add 0 on the upper number, 48.950. It can be written in such a way as it doesn't change the nature of the number. You can add 0 to the right of the decimal point on the empty space. So after you add 0, then you can subtract out. Then subtracting this one will get 16.944. So your answer for this question is choice D. Question number 83. 1/100 of centimeter when written in fractions of kilometers is equal to. There are choices here. Among these choices, what is a correct answer for this question? You have to express 1/100 of a centimeter in kilometers. Try it by your own, and I hope you get the answer for this question, and let me show you how to get the answer. Okay, what is required is express 1/100 of a centimeter in kilometer. That means 1 over 100 centimeter over 1 kilometer. This is the fraction form. To do or to get the answer for this question, first convert kilometer into centimeter. How many centimeters is 1 kilometer? Okay, it is 100,000 centimeters. So you can rewrite it in such a way: 1 over 100 centimeter over 1000 times by 100 centimeter, or it is 100,000 centimeters. Again, bring 100, which is on the upper side one, to the denominator, and you can rewrite this one in such a way: 1 over 100 times by 1000 times by 100 centimeters, or it can be written in such a way: 10 million, 1 over 10 million centimeters. That means 1/100 of a centimeter when expressed in kilometers is equal to 1 over 10 million centimeters. And convert this one into its decimal form. And there are here 7 zeros, and you can have a 7-digit number. So your answer for this question is 0.000001, choice A. Subscribe this channel to get additional videos that I will post in the future, and these questions are very important for students, and also they are important for graduates. And if you are a student and if you are a job seeker, try to work out on aptitude questions as they appear on examinations, different examinations, whether educational examinations or job vacancy examinations, they will appear. So you have to update yourself with the ability to work on aptitude questions. So subscribe the channel to get videos that I will post in the future.